6 must-haves when it comes to starting your waist beads business. The first thing you need is knowledge. Why do you want to sell waist beads? Where do they come from? What are they made of? What is even the history of beads and waist beads? The second thing is a payment processor. Figure out how you will be accepting payments. The third thing is a place of business. Are you going to sell online? Are you going to go to different shows, be a vendor at festivals? Are you going to open up your own boutique or shop, or even sell in someone else's already established business? The fourth thing, of course, you need waist beads, and you need lots of waist beads. If you make them and you specialize in custom made waist beads, you also want to get waist beads from a vendor. You want to buy wholesale and retail at a higher price so that you're not stressing yourself out by making so many. And you want to have different types of waist beads, different type of strands, different designs, because you're going to be selling to different types of people and they do have their preference. The fifth thing is a motivation. You have to keep being motivated. What's your reason why? Look at waist beads to come inspire. You can also subscribe to this channel, The Craftswoman. I also send out emails so you can get on the email list. You can email me with any questions, contact@craftswoman.com. The sixth thing is filing your business legally. Figure out if you want to be a sole proprietor, file an LLC, S Corp. There's so many options on how you want to file your business. These are my 6 must-haves to start selling waist beads today.